Hi, this is Scott Thompson from expertvillage.com, and today I'm going to demonstrate a way to put those used CDs to use by building a small balloon hovercraft. To try out your hovercraft, it's pretty simple. If you chose to use the pop-top kind of opening, close that down all the way, push it down, then blow up the balloon. Depending on the balloon that you have, you can get some really big ones that work well, but it really doesn't have to be that big. With smaller kids, you might need to help them get the balloon on. They'll get good at it though. Because you've got that pop top pushed down, air is not going to sneak out. So you can kind of make sure that it's all centered on top just the way you want it. And when you float your hovercraft around, it really works well on a smooth classroom floor or hallway. A countertop or a smooth table. Anything with bumps or ridges though will hang it up and it will not go too well. So when you're ready to fly it, you lift the pop top up just enough to get an airflow out and then have some fun with it.